The 2024 China-Africa Innovation Cooperation and Development Forum took place in Wuhan, and we are honored to have the director of the Sino-Africa Joint Research Center of the Chinese Academy of Sciences to probe into the forum with us today. Welcome, Professor Wang.
Thank you.
The Sino-Africa Joint Research Center of the CAS is supported by the Wuhan Botanical Garden. What resources and advantages do you see Wuhan enjoys?
Wuhan actually is, I think, with some advantages of talent and also some good facility for research, and also with more than 100 universities and research institutions. That's, I think, is unique even in China. So among the top 4 or top 3, I think that's very important.
What do you think is the significance of this China-Africa Forum in various fields?
I think today's forum, I think, is very important. We can share our experience on our own practice in China in the past 20 years. So we share our ideas. So what they need, the requirements from them, and what we want for the collaboration.
The forum is held by the East Lake Donghu. Could you share with us what experience we have gathered in Donghu's ecological protection and how they can benefit Africa's green development?
So actually, in Africa, most of African countries are facing the same problems of the environment protection. So the East Lake is a very good example. So we know that East Lake is a city logo of Wuhan. So my experience is about 20 years ago. So East Lake is not like this. Today we could see the blue sky, the clear waters. This is East Lake. And also after the government and also local communities, I think, continuous efforts on this ecological restoration, not just East Lake. Actually, in Wuhan, all the city lakes now, comparing to 20 years ago, it's beautiful and with clean waters and also very good vegetation. I think that's very important. It's perfect. Yes.
Like the Wuhan Botanical Garden.
Yes,
It's a good example.
Yes. You could see some changes.
Yeah.
So years by years, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
In the context of global focus on food security and environmental protection, what challenges and opportunities do you think China and Africa are facing in agricultural cooperation?
I think our African friends now they are facing the conflicts between the local communities with the environmental protection between these two, but I think they have very good natural resources, so, and also they have their own experience, so from their traditional cultivation. So now we're trying to introduce some more crop cultivars with high quality and also high yield. And also another issue is also very important one is about the modern cultivation technology. So I tell you a story that the year before last year. So it's about half a year drought in Kenya. So we conducted a demonstration cultivation plot there. So through our demonstration and with our cultivation technology, the average yield of our crops is, I think, 50% higher than the local one.
So there already have been some successful cases.
Yes.
Well, in the future, how does your center plan to strengthen the cooperation with African cities in agriculture and ecology?
In the past 10 years, so we're working with our partners and colleagues in Africa. So I think in the future we will have some more, research proposals. It's planned by both sides. So for example, we'll expand our research area from Kenya and also north to Ethiopia, south to Zimbabwe and Madagascar. And we will provide our help on some technology and also some facility to help them evaluate the current status of all those rare endangered species, either plants or the animals. The second one is about the education and training programs. So we will strengthen all those education programs from different disciplines. For example, either the ecology, agriculture, even the life sciences, and also to some remote sensing. We will provide some more help for this. And the third one is about exchange. We will strengthen the exchange of the talent and also the scientists, and also we share the insights for the future development, not just of the science and also for the economic development, local community and also urban or suburbs. I think both are very important. Yes.
Thank you, Professor Wang.
You're welcome. Thank you.